Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Halo Mini on an RX 450, attempted theft the other day. So we fitted this system. So how the system works, we've done something very, very special. So we've combined a tracker with remote immobilisation if it's in valet mode, just in case it was ever stolen in valet mode. And obviously they can immobilise the vehicle. So just going to show you basically how the Halo Mini works on this. As soon as you open the door, if you watch the actual clocks, there we go, just got a double flash. The vehicle's now immobilised, so if I put my foot on the brake, try and start it, you notice it won't go to ready, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, without their foot on the brake, tap the start button twice, so you get the main ignition, insert the code. We just got a single flash from the fog lights, and the vehicle will now start, okay? Really simple, really straightforward to use. As soon as I turn off the ignition and open the door, you'll see, system is now active. Now, if we want to place it in valet mode, this is also very simple. So double tap the start button without your foot on the brake, main ignition on, insert the code, and then just hold it on the last press. So we've got one flash there. If we watch for about 15-20 seconds, you'll see that it'll give us 5 flashes, and then you'll see we're just going to valet mode. Okay, then we're going to show you something very special. There you go. 5 flashes. It's now in valet mode, so as soon as I turn off the start button, open the door, we don't get a flash. Okay, if I put my foot on the brake and try and start it, obviously the vehicle will start. Okay, it's gone to ready. Really simple, really straightforward. So now I'm going to show you something straightforward now. On the tracker that we fitted, we're going to do remote immobilisation. So if I go into the settings, so if I go into a setting here, which is fuel cut, okay, cut the fuel, insert the secret code. We send it, there you go, it's been sent successful. So now if I try and start it, if I put my foot on the brake, see, it just won't start, okay? So we've immobilised the vehicle, it's been in valet mode, may have got stolen at a garage or at the airport, we're aware of it, so we sent an immobilisation command. So what we're going to do now, once again, this time we're actually going to take it out. So let's just go to, I believe it's set again, if I remember correctly. Yep, sorry, let's just go back. Go to set. Watch again. Fuel. Recover. Insert the code. Send it. Successfully sent. So now, if I go to start it, you'll see main ignition on. And the vehicle starts again. Really clever. I don't know any canvas immobiliser that can do that. Also, as I said, it's a tracker. It's an immobiliser, and it can be remotely immobilised through an app should it be stolen in valet mode. Hope you've enjoyed this video. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to the RX 450. My name is Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.